You cannot understand the Middle East without understanding the power of symbols. Symbols are enormously important because symbols create narratives. And the Middle East, to a large extent, is about narrative. My name is Avi Melamed. I was born and raised in the most unique, special city in the world, Jerusalem. I had the honor to serve the State of Israel for many years in a wide range of intelligence and governmental positions. And I'm excited to go with you on a journey to explore the Middle East. There are so many names and figures and terms that relates to the Middle East. Iran, Iraq, Hezbollah, Gaza Strip, Hamas, the West Bank, Israel, Lebanon, Jordan. All of these are names, terms that you know somehow, but do you really?
We've been to several borders. It's, a unique perspective that a lot of Americans, most Americans, will never see.
Quite often in the Western world, our perceptions are shaped by just one side and by just one narrative that we're seeing in the media. They really do need to be looking at Middle Eastern platforms of information to be able to get the full story and the full picture.
In the United States, you read an article and you're lucky to get one or two perspectives on an issue, but here there are 3 or 4 or 5 or 10 narratives that just collide and intersect and overlap and contradict one another.
And then to come on the ground and really test your assumptions. It really challenges, I think, on a daily basis, the beliefs that people may have.
The Middle East reality shapes the Israeli-Palestinian conflict. The Israeli-Palestinian conflict does not shape the Middle East reality.
Working for Congress, is a really unique thing. So I think this program is so important because as I'm, working to make recommendations for my boss, as I'm helping him work through issues, the more context, the more background, the more real world that I have, the better off that I can really explain the issue to him and really help him come to the decision that's going to be in the best interest for our constituents, for the best interest of our country.
Inside the Middle East is actually combining two of my biggest fields of interest and skills. One is intelligence and the other one is education. I believe that the essence of education is to teach people how to think, not what to think. I cannot promise you that this program would be anything like 24 or 007. But I can promise you one thing, you will never be bored. I'm very much looking forward to meeting with you soon here in Israel.